Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap Lawrence, local and long distance movers near me. You may be tempted to try a long distance move by yourself, but it is wise to get a professional help. Each move is unique, but despite the differences, they are all considered to be long distance because they go beyond 100 miles. Moving is a process that many people dread. The task can appear so large that it overshadows all the enthusiasm of looking forward to a new place and a fresh start. That is why the right service providers are so important. Working with the friendly staff at 3 Movers will alleviate the stress. Without a proper plan, even a move that's just across a small town can be difficult. Large household or commercial items are cumbersome, not to mention all the other packed items. 3 Movers offer services that can take the load off your back. We provide local moving services which cover any distance of 100 miles or less. We take the complexities of moving so that you can move with ease. In addition to local and long distance moving, our Lawrence Moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial, international, furniture, residential, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.